Bumped with my ex after 7 years of no communication. At putya kinikilig ako. Part 1. First girlfriend ko siya at first boyfriend naman niya ako. I was 22 and she was 20 back then. We were together for 3 years. We were young, but I'm sure what we had was real. Walang cheating na nangyari, no other people involved. We just literally outgrew each other, since we were both starting to build and prove something back then. She landed her first job, and I got busy chasing my own dreams. Hanggang sa nawalan na kami ng oras sa isa't isa. We broke up on good terms, handled the breakup in a very mature way. Eventually, we both moved on. Nagpalit din ako ng Facebook account for some reason, kaya nawalan na kami ng balita sa isa't isa. It helped that we didn't share the same circle of friends. After a few years, nagkaroon din ako ng isa pang girlfriend. Pero it didn't work out. Sa kanya, I honestly don't know. Never heard her name for the longest time. Not until last March, I had to run an errand sa isang mall sa South. I was walking when I saw a familiar face walking toward me. Hindi ako pwedeng magkamali. Kabisado ko ang bawat anggulo ng mukha niya. Kahit nakapikit ako. Nagulat ako. Nagulat din siya. We greeted each other awkwardly. Mag-isa lang siya. I made sure kasi inikot ko pa mata ko baka may kasama na siyang asawa. Nagkamustahan kami. Then, pasimple kong tinanong kung kasama niya asawa niya. Tapos hinampas niya ako, sabay sabi na wala daw siyang balak. Doon ako nag-loosen up. She was still the same person I used to love when I was 22. Of course, I asked kung saan siya pupunta. And sabi niya kakain siya. Ako na kakatapos lang kumain, nagraso na lang nakakain din ako just to spend more time with her. Then I asked if she wanted to eat together and catch up. She said yes. Habang kumakain kami, gusto ko na lang i-pause yung moment na yon. God, I missed her so much. Gumanda siya lalo. She still uses the same scent from when we were dating. After that, we grabbed some coffee. Then we parted ways. Pag-uwi ko, in-stalk ko siya. Added her. And she accepted after a few minutes. Of course, we started chatting, parang mga teenager ulit. I'm actually chatting with her right now and hindi ko makontain yung kilig ko. Kagabi nag-post siya sa story ng lyrics.